Let me show you how easy it is to create a clipping mask in Affinity. For that, you need at least 2 layers. As you can see, I got this circle on the layer above. That's important because we want to right click on that layer above, and then we got option to create clipping mask. Select that, and those 2 layers will be bundled together. Our circle is not now a clipping mask for the image below. So overlapping part is visible and everything else is invisible. You can see it like that, a mask and an image. To undo this, we can open up this double layer and right click on the clipping mask. There's something called release. And now we are back to the original state. We got 2 separate layers. So right click on the layer above and there is a clipping mask. But there's also something else I like to use. It's called father or parent and child layer. So what I want to do is I want to click on the layer below and drag it on that layer above. Ta-da! It's not exactly a clipping mask, but now this layer above become a parent and this image is a child. So it's only visible when it's overlapping with the parent area. I feel this solution is a bit more flexible. All right. And again, we can always go out of this state. This time we can simply drag this layer out. Here it is. So that's actually my favorite way of clipping in Affinity. Not a classic clipping mask, but using one layer as the parent and making other layers the child of that layer. To do that, as I just showed, drag the layer inside another layer. And now it's kind of clipped on that layer. You can move this layer, the parent one, or you can only move the child. That gives us a great flexibility. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.